Okay, let's apply power and see where we're at.
Okay. Alright.
Oh, it's Cole's birthday. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
It's actually my wife's birthday. We're not going to celebrate today because, well, or yesterday, today, either day, because today she wanted to get some work done around the house and I wanted to do some fan testing, and then today, technically tomorrow, I have a gig, so we're going to celebrate Monday and Tuesday. She took off work. But yeah, so National Ceiling Fan Day, my wife's birthday, and Cole's birthday are all the same day. I keep forgetting that. Power's on?
Now it is.
Okay. Still not drawing anything though, because the test rig's not plugged in.
Oh. Alright.
I think I probably forget that every year, because obviously my wife's birthday is more important than the other things.
Okay, ready for power now?
Sure.
Okay, light is on.
Okay, so that's definitely working. So let's just see, because I think it's already paired. So let's see. Yeah, it's already paired because the lights, I guess that's as dim as it goes. We'll do a whole demonstration video once we figure this out. Oh, it goes very bright though. That's a heck of a bright light. Good God.
Oh yeah.
So let's see about pairing it with the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Unless you want to try on your phone. No, I already signed up for the app, so I guess I should just do it.
Yeah.
One of these times you're going to have to do some smart stuff. Add device, ceiling fan, power on, control the switch to test the device in normal operation. It is. Wi-Fi is 25 gigahertz. Press and hold the off button until the indicator blinks slowly. I don't know what indicator they're talking about, but we'll press and hold the off button. I'm going to guess they meant that. So press one, then hold the Wi-Fi button. Let's see here. They want my Wi-Fi password. That actually, my Wi-Fi password is my phone number. And that's because I figure if you visit my house, and I know you well enough to let you use my Wi-Fi, you should know my phone number. And if you don't know my phone number, then you don't know me well enough to use my Wi-Fi.
Well, you know, here's the thing. Phone numbers, because they're stored, I just pull up by name.
Oh, so you don't even know it.
It's kind of how everyone runs these days. We don't really, like, try to remember phone numbers. We just enter it and pull it up as a person and auto dial.
Interesting. I'm having trouble pairing it still. Let's try reconnect. Connections. It wants me to connect to the Carro Home network, but I don't see the Carro Home network. Oh, there we go. So there's only a manual pairing. There's not like an auto one. You have to actually physically log in to the... Okay, so now let's go back to the Carro Home app. Well, I'm connected to Carro Home, and it's not... I don't know what it wants me to do. Okay, oh, adding device. Now it seems to be working. Alexa, it's time to film.
Here are the movies.
Nope, that's not what did I say last time? Alexa, stop. Alexa, time to film.
September 18th, 2021 at 9:41.
Okay, it's got me updating the firmware.
September 18th, 2021.
Do you remember what command I was supposed to give her to... I thought it was time to film. Let's go to my Alexa app. Do you remember I made a command to change all the lights at the same time? I don't know, but you don't remember what it was, huh?
No.
You don't like talking to the Alexa, do you?
I don't know, it doesn't seem to work. It's still too unreliable.
Ah.
That's the problem when it's too...
time to film. That's what I said. Alexa, time to film.
Phil's local times
No,
are September
it's-
18th, 2021 at
Maybe-
9:41
Alexa, stop.
a.m. Go.
Alexa, time to film.
Okay.
That worked. Let's see if the firmware has been updated on the CARRO app. Okay, so you can control... Okay, so let me move the chair close enough to the camera so I can show you. You can control the fan, the white light, and the yellow light separately. I don't see a reverse function yet. I'm sure it's in here, though. So let's just try real quick. We'll do a separate demonstration video. So this is... I'm turning the yellow light all the way down. And so it's just blue. Got it. Try turning the blue light all the way down.
Oh, I see. It's more like a night light without it.
So
we
is
get
it
like a
not?
soft white.
So this is high.
Oh wow,
That's a hell of an air mover.
wow. That's faster than I expected it to go.
Yeah.
A lot of these only go as fast as what the big Sears is doing right now.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn all these down all the way so that we can use the so there's a summer button. If I turn the fan back on, oh yeah, I just hit summer or winter. I see. Okay, so I'm gonna start the video over so we can do like a formal test video. You want to move the
Yeah.
meter? Nope, other way. I want to be off in the corner, kind of. Keep going, keep going. Yep, and now angle it. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's turn the fan off.
Wait.
Actually, bring it this way some because I want to. The fan's so big, we might have to. No, other way. I'm sorry. Keep going further back, further back, further back. A little further back. A little further closer, a little closer. That's Goldilocks and the Three Bears just right. Okay, so I'm gonna start over again. What light just changed over there? I think I need to change one of the bulbs in that half pipe. Okay, let's start the video over as soon as the